Hello, I'm Andrew Cristancho, and I worked on the proximity search feature for BreazeHome 4.0. And this video is about the shortcomings and wishes I would like for the feature. Shortcomings are features I couldn't implement in time due to constraints, and wishes are features I would like for other users in the future to implement. So let's begin. Some shortcomings. First off, the performance is not where I would like it to be. As of now, an average proximity query takes about 8 seconds to completely find properties near a location, and I don't think that's acceptable in my opinion. Modern search engines do not take 8 seconds to find something, so I would really like the performance to be fixed. And in the maintenance video, I have the offending line highlighted so I could show future maintainers, if you solve this line, then you will have an increased performance. So also, another shortcoming is error handling. Right now, if you enter a query that throws an error, it will return a page with 0 results, and the user doesn't know what happened, the user doesn't know how to fix it, and by then the user is annoyed and wants to go to another website. So I couldn't implement error handling in time. I was focusing majorly on the features, and I was focusing on the stability of the feature. So let me show you a demo so you can see what I'm talking about. So right here, I could immediately tell you the 0 results found. This is the page you see when you enter a query that doesn't work at all. It's slow. I mean, it's not slow. It's just, I would like there to be a place right here. Instead of 0 results found, it would be like, here's your query, and here's some suggestions, and here's an opportunity to fix your error. As of now, the user doesn't know what happened, is annoyed, and leaves. And I wish that I was trying to implement this during my sprint, and I just didn't have enough time to do it, and it's very important. The other thing, which is performance, I'm about to show you right now. So let's search for Dolphin Mall, place next to FIU, very popular. So as of now, the user is like, what's going on? Did I enter something wrong? It's taking a while, and there it is. So it took a full 8 seconds if you had watched and timed it, probably sometimes more. So it gives you what you want, but it just takes a long time to get it. And this was this was pretty a hilarious problem in Showcase, because I knew the feature was going to work, but the judges didn't. So when I pressed enter, they're looking at it, they're looking at my face to see my reaction. They thought that my feature didn't work at all, and they were feeling bad for me. And I'm like, no, it'll work, trust me. And they're like, man, I already feel bad for this kid. And then it shows the feature, and they liked it. But I don't want other people to go through that again. So hopefully the performance gets fixed and those 8 seconds are given back to the user's life. We could all use 8 seconds. So here we go, back into the PowerPoint. So those are the shortcomings. Wish list is, I would like for proximity search to be embedded into the autocomplete, and I would also like to have error handling inside the autocomplete. In a nutshell, I would like the autocomplete to behave like a more useful autocomplete, and I'll show you a quick demo. So, as of now, if you enter any kind of query, the autocomplete creates suggestions based on the database. So, this is everything that's in the database. None of this is proximity search. What I would like is that it would run a proximity search based on what we have, and then the proximity search will return a bunch of suggestions. So, like Miami Heat, usually this would run in proximity search, but the suggestions doesn't have that. So I would like Miami Heat, and here's the coordinates or locations of the Miami Heat, and then you could click the suggestion. Or when you pick Miami, this only returns what's in our database. But what about Miami, Ohio? So I would like proximity search to create those two things in the search box. So let's say a user creates just gibberish. Right now the user doesn't know it's gibberish at all. I would like an autocomplete dropdown to say this is gibberish and here's a way to correct it. Or here's why the gibberish is wrong. I would really like to have a dropdown error handling so the user doesn't waste time in pressing search and doesn't waste his 8 seconds to realize that this is a wrong query. You know, I would really like that for future people. So that's my wish list. And if you guys have any questions, my name is Andrew Cristancho. My email is achris005@fiu.edu. And thank you for watching.